Maximizing battery life on the Oculus Quest 2.
Hey there, virtual reality enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic for all Oculus Quest 2 users: maximizing battery life. If you're wondering how you can make the most out of your VR experience without running out of juice, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in.
Adjusting display and brightness settings.
One effective way to extend your Oculus Quest 2 battery life is by adjusting the display and brightness settings. Lowering the display resolution and reducing the brightness level can significantly reduce power consumption. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Settings menu on your Oculus Quest 2. 2. Navigate to the Device tab. 3. Select Display. 4. Reduce the resolution and brightness to a comfortable level that still offers an enjoyable VR experience. By tweaking these settings, you can save precious battery life without sacrificing too much visual quality.
Managing app and game usage.
Another way to maximize battery life is by managing app and game usage. Here are a few tips to help you with this. Close unnecessary apps. Make sure to close any background apps that you're not using. These apps can consume valuable system resources and drain your battery faster. Use optimized games and apps. Some games and apps are more power-hungry than others. Look for games that are optimized for better battery performance or have power-saving modes. Limit multiplayer and online gaming. Multiplayer and online gaming experiences tend to be more resource-intensive, which can lead to faster battery drain. Consider reducing the time spent on these activities if you're concerned about battery life. By being mindful of your app and game usage, you can make your battery last longer during your VR sessions.
Managing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Did you know that managing Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections can also contribute to extending your Oculus Quest 2 battery life? Here's what you can do. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you're using your Quest 2 for a single-player experience or offline content, consider turning off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These wireless connections consume power even when not actively in use. Enable Airplane Mode. Activating Airplane Mode on your Quest 2 will disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth simultaneously, providing an easy way to conserve battery life. Remember, you can always re-enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when needed. But when you're in a power-saving mode, turning them off can make a noticeable difference.
Proper charging practices.
Lastly, let's talk about proper charging practices to optimize your battery life in the long run. Use the original charger. Always use the original charger that came with your Oculus Quest 2. Third-party chargers may not provide the same level of charging efficiency and safety. Avoid overcharging. Once your Quest 2 reaches a full charge, it's best to unplug it from the power source. Overcharging can potentially degrade the battery's lifespan over time. Store in a cool, dry place. When you're not using your Oculus Quest 2, store it in a cool and dry place. Extreme temperatures can negatively impact battery performance and longevity. By following these charging best practices, you'll help maintain the health of your Quest 2's battery for a longer time. And there you have it, our tips and tricks to maximize the battery life of your Oculus Quest 2. Remember to adjust display and brightness settings, manage your app and game usage,